Association of India. In regarding with today's, it is thankful. We are very thankful to the government. The prioritize for the vaccination for seafarers have started. Yesterday, there was a unity support from all over India to reduce the gap of 84 days. हे हेचेर जायत्या जाणांनी काल on the Twitter handle of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, lot of seafarers have tweeted and also sent messages on his Facebook account. I visited lot of centers in the morning. Echo मोला येता तारोड्याच्या is of the second dose. The gap is too long. आणि हेचेर आमी गोवन सीमेन एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया आर सपोर्टिंग दिस कॉज टू रिड्यूस करपाक. तशेंच आज जायत्या जाणांक तारोट्यांक थोड्यो अडचण जाल्यो. थिंगा ऑर्डर डिनाय केले बिकॉज ऑफ द lack of evidence of document तांकां produce करपाक. So हेचेर we have directed the seafarers to contact captain of ports, that is Captain James Braganza. And I also talked to Captain James Braganza. He is a very positive way that he will look into it and consider the seafarers, and he will issue the letter from the captain of ports. So हेचेर कोणेय तारवटी भावान आपणा वॅक्सीन मेळपाना म्हूण निराशी जावचें न्हू. And we'll see that our efforts of Goan Seamen Association reach all the seafarers of Goa and to achieve 100% vaccination drive for seafarers. आज थोडे कडेन सेंटराक गेलो थिंगा जायते जाण आमगे तारोटी भाव हो जे आमगे थिंग सेंटर आहाय तेंकोडे आधार कार्ड आनी SID कार्ड हो CDC सोदताय. पूण हांव मागोता आमगे तारोटी भावा कडेन जाता जाल्यार तुमी पासपोर्ट नंबर दिवन रेजिस्टर करचे आनी नेक्स्ट एविडन्स तुमी CDC हो SID दाखोवचे. हो जर तारोटी भावांनी आपणागे दुसरी CDC जे इंडियन CDC ना तेंकोडे बमुडा, लायब्रेरियन ओ पानामा ह्यो CDC दाखोवन देखून वॅक्सिनेशन घेयला. पूण अदर सेंटरां अदर जाणां ते कळना. सो दे आर ओनली लुकिंग फॉर इंडियन CDC ओ SID. सो असले कडेन वचून आसल्या जाल्यार तांणी आमगे गोवन सीमेन एसोसिएशनाक ताबडतोब मेळचें आनी असो प्रोस्ट आमी सॉर्ट आउट करतले. आज आमचे मध्य प्रेसा Dr. Philip Mascarenhas, who is also the director of Divine Medical Center, who does आमगे तारोड्यांक जायत्या तारोड्यांक तो मेडिकल करता. He do lot of medical for different companies आनी जायते तारोटी भाव तेकोडे मेडिकल करून तारवार वयता. तशेंच we have a vice president chief engineer Gabriel Pinto. असले अडचणीक आज आमी थोडी म्हायती दिवपाक एक डॉक्टर फिलिप he will brief on that. हे आमगे वॅक्सिनेशन
I am a seafarer doctor and I used to do medicals for seafarers since 10 years now. And the thing is, if you go to see before COVID-19 pandemic, the number of seafarers joining were quite a lot. Compared to now it is not even quarter of what we used to do medicals for them. There are various reasons for them. The first one is when the vaccine was not started, that time we used to do RT-PCR test. And I can tell you that RT-PCR test, I can give one example of one of the seafarer, Goan seafarer, who was RT-PCR negative, 3 negative tests, but once he went to on board, on the second day he got a fever. And he came positive for COVID. even after having 3 RT-PCR tests done in India. Now we cannot be 100% guaranteed that the person will be negative while going on board. So that is the reason now the shipping companies or ship owners, they don't want to take any chance of doing this RT-PCR negative test and taking the people on board. So what they want, if you want to hire the crew or the seafarers from Indian seafarers, is to have both the COVID-19 vaccinated, both the doses. Now, if we vaccinate only with one dose, then there are heavy chances that he may not get the same vaccine when he goes on the international water. So he should take both the doses before joining on board ship. That is their requirement. Now, if you see then in Goa, or especially in India, the pace of vaccination is very slow. And there are also in other nationalities where the people are already been vaccinated and waiting to join on board ship. And we being Indian, you can say second largest seafaring suppliers in the world, we should have a continuous running of chain. And for that, we required a vaccinated crew all the time. So if a person is given a vaccination and he has to wait 84 days, what happens is there will be no crew change at that time. So what the shipping company does is they take the crew from other nationality like Indonesia, Philippines, Russia, Ukraine. So they are already vaccinated and available to join. So Indian crew are losing the jobs. So it is very, very necessary that the gap, whatever the government has, they have taken a very good initiative of giving key workers, the word key workers, frontliner, and they started vaccination. Also in India, it started in Kerala first, but it started in Goa also now. Now what happens is, if we have given them as key worker and frontliners and start vaccination and we don't decrease that gap, the purpose of them vaccinated and not getting a job is defeated. So what we request the government of Goa is, initially they have started vaccinated in second dose in 4 weeks. And they thought that, the data which was shown in foreign countries, they have a longer gap, like 6 weeks or 8 weeks, some of the countries, and they had showed a better antibody by keeping a bigger gap. So that is why in India also they have kept a bigger gap, not because of they were having a side effect of the drug, of the vaccines, not because of anything reason, only because the antibodies forms were better if you keep a longer gap. Now, if you go to see, it's not that antibodies are not formed, antibodies are well formed, but the thing is, it's a better protection. That is only the difference. So, if the government of Goa requests the center to decrease the gap from 4 weeks to from 84 days, that is 12 weeks, to 4 to 6 weeks, it will be a great help to the seafarers community all over India, especially Goan seafarers, because they are losing the job. Some of them, they have come down 18 months back and still they are waiting, whether it's cargo ship or cruise lines. And since India is coming as a COVID crisis, no cruise line want to take, or no cargo vessel want to take crew from India without having both the vaccinated. So it is a loss, losing the jobs. And once you lose this job to the other nationality, it's very difficult to get that job back, because they will not remove the other nationality, put the Indian nationality again. So it's humble request for the health minister and the chief minister of Goa to reduce the gap for the vaccine Covishield from 12 weeks to 4 to 6 weeks. It will be a great help. And the seafarers can join earlier. So there are many, suppose there are seafarers who are more than 45 years. They have taken the first vaccine, but still they are waiting for the second vaccine. So what is the point of giving them the vaccine and not getting the job? So the same thing will happen to the seafarers now who are less than 45 years. Again the same thing, they will take the first dose and they'll wait as the 45 plus people are waiting. So it will be the ideal way not to lose jobs and increase the unemployment in Goa is to decrease the gap of vaccination from the first and the second dose should be 4 to 6 weeks. And there is nothing else we can do without this, so that the market is open for the shipping companies to rehire the crew back again. Thank you.
Gabriel Pinto, ex-chief engineer and vice president of Goan Cement Association of India. It's really very, very disheartening to see the crisis that our seafaring community is facing today. I mean, it is so, I'm not even getting the word. It is so disheartening to see that nobody is coming forward to help our seafaring community, knowing the fact that their livelihood is at risk. Most of it, Dr. Philip has already said. What are the repercussions? What are the end result of not giving them the vaccine within a shorter period of time? Medically, Dr. Philip has already said that if you give the vaccine within 4 to 6 weeks, there are no ill effects on it. So if there are no ill effects on it, we urge the government, our Goa government, to bring it to the central government and reduce this gap of 12 weeks to 4 to 6 weeks. Because every now and then we have heard on the television or on the newspaper that our Goa government is very much interested in saving the livelihood of the people. Now this is another great opportunity for the government to help our Goan community, which is a big percentage of our Goan community who are depending on this shipping lines. So if they are taking this opportunity to save this livelihood of the people, they have to do this on the topmost priority. So I urge the government to tell him the urgency of taking this issue of reducing the gap from 12 weeks to 4 to 6 weeks. And please understand the condition of the seafarers who are really going through right now. So once again, not to repeat what Dr. Philip has said, please, Dr. Pramod Sawant, CM of Goa, we request you, help our seafarers to get their livelihood, to get their jobs back. As it is, we are really having a crisis of not having jobs. Please let us not lose the job people who already have it. So help us to retain the job that the boys have, and please help them to reduce this time from 12 weeks to 4 to 6 weeks. That's my humble request to the government of Goa. Thank you.